Hi everyone, it's Millicent from ISER. Today I'm visiting Hunan Puqi Water Environmental Institute, and Hunan Puqi is the only geological equipment institute in China. We are dedicated to the R&D, production and sales of underground water detector and water pipe leak detector, borehole inspection camera and other geological detectors. We are a professional team with more than 15 years experience. We are focused on hydrogeological exploration, intelligent data capture technology. We have many professional sales and engineers. Here is their office. Here is our sales and marketing office. Hi guys, here is our Puqi's Products Technology Center, and we can see it's very clean and tidy, right? So let's go inside to see the Technology Center. Our production department has strict rules and orderly division of labor, and all our staff wear uniform anti-static clothing and cooperated in an orderly manner to assemble, test, and quality inspection of the products. Here is our finished products warehouse, and we got lots of orders from all over the world every day. With the solid and waterproof packing, here is the packing workshop and the worker. He is packing the products. Hi guys, here is our Puqi's showroom. Our institute specially builds a teaching and experimental base of pipeline loss reduction, which is guided by open communication, learning and sharing, and service the majority of pipeline loss reduction workers. Customer could come visit. We will also provide our customer service, like they can come visit here, and we will show them our product's operation maps and also demonstrate it to them. We could customize according to your demands on our products and also our surface, also the logo on the products. So if you want to know more details, you are feel free to contact our address and also our email.